Hello and welcome back. In this video we will study about data encapsulation. First of all, I will let you to know what actually the encapsulation means. If encapsulation means hiding or protecting data from anyone to access publicly or can change that data. So data encapsulation will help to protect our data that should not be passed to other. Let's make the class. Here I will make class encap and let's initialize the variable. First of all, I will pass. We will make only constructor here because we don't need anything here in it, and let's pass it. Here I will get three variable from user self a comma b comma c. Let's make three methods that can be accessed publicly, protectedly and privately. Private means only class can access that data, and publicly means any more class can access or outside the class. Protected means friend class can access, but here we will access protected from outside the class too by defining that variable. Self dot a is equal to a, self dot b is equal to b, and self dot c is equal to c. But here we will make this. For there are three methods of defining the method. For public can be defined without anything, this is public, and if you want to make private you have to pass single underscore and you can say this is protected. Not you need not to say public can be accessed like this is public, and if you want to make private, this is private. Now I will make this as a protected and this is a private. Now I will make the object of this class obj is equal to encap. Sorry for this, I have to pass 10, 20 and 30. Let's first of all print object dot a. Let's print it and see it if we got the answer. We have not printed this, should not give me error, and 10. Yes, we have get 10 here. Let's see, this is the a. Now I will make object. Sorry for this, I am mistakenly done this. Print obj dot underscore b, this is the protected mode, and print object dot c. Let's see, we have this also, both all variable in the class, but it is giving us error, no attribute called double underscore c, because if we make this c also it will not carry us because this is no attribute. There is no attribute, but this is we have attribute double underscore c, but we are not accessing it. Let's run it again and see, and it is say no attribute because this is a private mode and this will not go outside this class encap. This is outside all of this class, so this cannot be go. This is how you can protect your data. This is known as data encapsulation, and this mode is, I will write this mode, this is a public mode, and this is protected mode. Protected mode can be viewed in some cases outside protected. This can seen for little extent. We can see this, we can access this data outside the class, but this is private in anyhow, in any case, in any cost. It will not be accessed from outside the class, only this can be accessed by the class. Let's say define here, I will say self. Let's try to print self dot c. Let's try to print this, and in the case of this I will make object dot, sorry, this is print data, and I will pass print data. Let's save it. Yes, now it is accessing this data by this class, by this method, because this method is the part of this class, and we can access this class. And next thing we have done, we have accessed this by a, not by self dot a, because this is outside the class. It will make this variable as a. Here it is make like a and b underscore b, but when passing to method we have to pass self, means we are the part of this class. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in next video and last topic of the last topic of the feature of object oriented programming, and we will access some data in coming videos. And for then leave me, and we will meet in next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please stay with us.